Welcome students to Sneha Coaching Academy. In our previous video, we have learned what is differentiation, derivatives of some standard functions, operations on derivative functions such as addition and subtraction. Today, we will learn multiplication and division rule of derivative functions. Now let's see multiplication of derivative function. Suppose we are given the function y is equal to u into v. So derivative of y with respect to x will be equals to, you have to keep u as it is, then you have to take the derivative of v with respect to x plus v, you have to keep v as it is, then you have to take the derivative of u with respect to x. dy by dx will be u dv by dx, that is u derivative of v plus v derivative of u. For example, if we are given x cube into log x, x cube into log x, that is u over here will be x cube and v will be log x. So dy by dx is equals to, first we have to keep u as it is, that is x cube into dv by dx. dv is our log x. dv is log x. So d by dx of log x plus v is log x into du by dx, that is d by dx of u over here is x cube. So x cube as it is into d by dx of log x, derivative of log x is 1 upon x plus log x as it is into derivative of x cube, x raised to n, derivative of x raised to n is n times x raised to n minus 1, that is n over here will be 3. So 3 times x raised to 3 minus 1 will be 2. So that will be 3x square. X get cancelled. So this will be x square plus log x into 3x square. Okay, this will be our multiplication of derivative function. This is the multiplication rule, that is your function is given y is equal to u into v. So dy by dx will be u dv by dx plus v du by dx, that is u derivative of v plus v derivative of u. Let's see one more example. Derivative function given is x square into cos x, x square into cos x. So u over here will be x square and v will be cos x. Okay, let's start dy by dx. Suppose this function is y, so x square as it is, that is u into dy by dx, that is d by dx of v is over here cos x plus v as it is, that is cos x into du by dx, that is d by dx of u is x square. Now derivative of cos x is minus sin x plus cos x as it is, derivative of x square will be n x raised to n minus 1, that is 2 x raised to 2 minus 1 will be 1, so that will be 2x. So this will be minus x square sin x plus cos x into 2x. Okay, now let's see division rule of derivative functions. Suppose we are given a function y that is u upon v. Function y that is u upon v, where v is not equals to 0. Where v is not equals to 0. So derivative of dy dy by dx dy by dx will be equals to v du by dx minus u dv by dx upon v square. V du by dx minus u dv by dx upon v square. That is, keep v as it is, take the derivative of u, minus keep u as it is, take the derivative of v upon v square. Let's see an example where y is equals to x upon x plus 3. So this is of the form u upon v. So by division rule, dy by dx will be equals to, first v is over here, x plus 3 into d by dx of u, that is x, minus keep u as it is, that is x, into dv by dx, dy dx of v, that is our v is x plus 3 upon v square, that is x plus 3 bracket square, which will be equals to x plus 3 as it is into derivative of x is 1 minus x as it is, derivative of x plus 3. Now x plus 3, derivative of x is 1 plus derivative of constant will be 0. So answer will be 1. So this is 1 upon x plus 3 bracket square, which will be equals to x plus 3 minus x upon x plus 3 bracket square, minus x plus x get cancelled. This will be 3 upon x plus 3 bracket square. Let's see one more example. Y is equals to x square plus 7x minus 9 upon x square minus 1. So this will be of u upon v form. So u over here will be x square plus 7x minus 9 and v will be x square minus 1. So differentiating both sides, so dy by dx will be equals to, first v du by dx. So our v will be x square minus 1 into d by dx of u, that is x square plus 7x minus 9, minus u over here is x square plus 7x minus 9 into d by dx of v. V is x square minus 1 upon v square, that is x square minus 1 bracket square, which is equals to x square minus 1 as it is, derivative of x square plus 7x minus 9. Now derivative of x square, that is x raised to n, which will be n times x raised to n minus 1. So n over here is 2. So 2 x raised to 2 minus 1 will be 1, that is 2x. So derivative of x square is 2x plus 7 into x, derivative of x is 1, minus 9, derivative of constant is 0, minus x square plus 7x minus 9 as it is into d by dx of x square minus 1. Derivative of x square is 2x minus 1 is constant, so its derivative will be 0 upon x square minus 1 bracket square, which will be equals to x square minus 1 into 2x plus 7 into 1 is 7 minus x square plus 7x minus 9 into 2x upon x square minus 1 bracket square. You can simplify it further. This is the division rule of derivative function. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.